Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Adele from Tech Review Pro with another review video, and today we're taking a look at the Star DVD Player 5008. Now, my first impression on the packaging, it's very good, making sure the item inside is well protected. If we turn the box to the side, we can find the item specification. It is compatible with DVD, VCD, DVCD, alongside CD, WMA, CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. It also has a 2.0 audio output, 8 digital languages and 32 subtitle languages, 9 multi-shooting angles, 16.9 by 4.32 screen size for TV, parental lock function, fast forward, rewind, search, slow, pause, zoom and memory play, volume control and USB CD ripping function available as well. Taking it out of the box, we can see it's well protected by 2 foam brackets and a nylon bag, making it very difficult for it to get damaged. Overall view of the item, we can see the Star logo, DVD 5008, we can see the on and off button, the eject and the pause and the play. On the side we have the USB port to use when you have memories or videos on your USB. This item currently retails at $19.99 on eBay. This just about sums it up for this video, so I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.